Hello, this is unboxing for the Republic of Gamers Strix Z390-F gaming motherboard from ASUS or ASUS, depending on how you want to pronounce it. So let's have a little look. I'll do a comparison of the different versions of this motherboard in the description rather than discuss it here. This is the middle one. It's slightly more expensive than the cheaper one and nowhere near as expensive as the flagship one. So anyway, let's get it unboxed and have a look. They no longer seal them. That's the motherboard. So I'll take that off and look at that in a bit. Big chunk of cardboard. Quite a nice little manual. You can use that if you want, if you're quick, to get your special cables. I'll never bother with that. So yeah, manual, driver's disc, set of case stickers. They're quite reflective, quite nice. General quick start motherboard layout thing. Safety information. That's thank you for purchasing this. Don't know what that's for. Just says visit them on the store for stuff. Yeah, a door hanger. Game off, you may enter. Game on, you shall not pass. So, yep, okay, thanks ASUS. A little thingy here. It looks like it's a temperature probe. Doesn't say what it is on there, but there's a little noduly bit on the end which looks very much like it's a temperature probe. Little bag of cable ties, set of SATA leads, another set of SATA leads. Each one of those is one of them is right angle in each pack, and that's an RGB cable for the LEDs, and that's another one. Looks like a little adapter for the different headers for your pretty lights. SLI bridge, M.2 mounts and screws. That I think is a little fan mount. Yeah, so if you want to mount a fan, you might be able to see it, you might not. If you want to mount a fan pointing at the RAM, they include a little metal bracket to do that with. We'll just shovel this out of the way, and then we'll look at the main board, and then we'll just do a quick recap. So you get a few bits and bobs with it. The motherboard bag isn't sealed, so we'll just slide it out. It doesn't come with a little thing to, like a little foam thing to stand it on, so it's just a bare board. It is a rather nice looking board. They've even got the little socket protector thing that's got a sticker on it, which is kind of funky. There's a plastic cover to that shiny bit. This has got LEDs in it and stuff. The I/O panel is pre-mounted, which may or may not be a problem. If you've seen other videos I've made, it can be on some of the motherboards. Really quite annoying. There's an M.2 socket there, and that one's got like an armour covering on it, like a metal thing on it. So it's quite a nice motherboard. Sound effects, proper sound card if you like. There's a USB 3.1 socket there, a different one. There's a bit of sort of a fabric-y thing there, which is a bit weird. So that's the motherboard itself, rather nice. Quite like that. So let's have a recap of the bits. 2 sets of SATA leads, LED cables, cable ties, SLI bridge, looks like a thermistor, could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it in the description. M.2 mounts, RAM fan, silly door handle thing, silly advert for going on the Microsoft Store. Oh, it's for the Armory Crate, which is their one all-in-one software thing. Motherboard layout guide, safety guide, some stickers, driver's disc, manual. Is it multilingual? No, it's all in English, so that's the full manual. And a discount code for some braided cables, which you are welcome to use if you want to. Yeah, so that's it unboxed. As I say, I'll put a very quick description of how the 3 different versions of this motherboard differ in the description. But that's it generally unboxed. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated. Any questions or comments about this, then just stick them in the comments. And, well, you know, thanks for watching.